joining Trivers, I've worked on a variety of different project types: hospitality, civic, multifamily, but the common thread through all of them has been doing adaptive reuse and historic renovation. And that's really exclusively what I've done in my 16-year career. At first, I didn't recognize how doing that project type aligned with my passion for sustainability. But as the industry has started to evolve the discussion of sustainability and started to talk more about embodied carbon, I can really see how both those things align really well with each other. The specific project, if I had to name one, would probably be the Georgian, which is an apartment building that we did a renovation for in the old city hospital near Lafayette Square. And that one just personally has an attachment for me because my husband and I had our wedding reception in one of the buildings there. So then to see the 4 remaining vacant buildings renovated after a period of time was just really exciting. When I joined the green team, the focus was really at that point in time on business operations, so things like recycling and purchasing policies. But I recognized really quickly that we had a much bigger opportunity to have an impact through our work. And then from that point on, we really made a very intentional effort to try to incorporate sustainability into our design process. Trivers has a really rich history of incorporating work in adaptive reuse and historic renovation, and that work continues. But in 2017, Trivers signed the AIA 2030 Challenge, and what that means is we committed to both tracking and making efforts to reduce our project's operational carbon. And then looking beyond operational carbon, the conversation has started to evolve into embodied carbon discussions. And to focus on that and try to make reductions in that, we've started using a life cycle assessment tool. And then most recently, we just rolled out a materials plan where we're making a conscious effort to make all of our material and finish selections in a way that they're taking occupant health and environmental health into consideration. Peregrine Hotel is located in downtown Omaha in a prominent corner and sat vacant for a really long time. So all of our renovation projects are really exciting to see the before afters and how they transform over time. But that project had a really special story that made the design process and implementation more unique. There is a family of peregrine falcons that nest on the neighboring building. And so we use that as our design theme throughout, and it made the project just that much more unique and authentic. When I moved to St. Louis after college, I had a subscription to St. Louis Magazine, and I felt like it was a really good way to learn about the city and be introduced to new places and people. So just to be considered for the award is really an honor. My husband and I have always enjoyed being outside and camping and hiking, and St. Louis has a really great amount of beautiful outdoor places and state parks. Since having kids, our hike distance has gotten a little bit smaller, so our current favorite places to go are Pickle Creek at Hahn State Park and Elephant Rocks and Devil's Honeycomb at Hughes Mountain. The first answer is an easy one. That would be my mom's ancestors. Her grandparents, both on her mom's side and her dad's side, were Native American and part of the Osage and Cherokee tribes. Greta Thunberg, who is an environmental activist. Jeannie Gang, who's an architect. And I lumped the Obamas together because I couldn't decide between the two of them.